Hello everybody, here we are, long weekend, and we've come to Burpengary Shopping Centre and we're going to have a look around here and then we'll go to Cafe 63, which is behind us, and we'll have free and something to eat. Good afternoon, Trudge. Fancy meeting you here at Cafe 63.
Can't work out what I want to eat.
Ah, okay. And that's it. Dinner has arrived. Look at that. Yum. I reckon it's a pretty good place, this Cafe 63 at Burpengary Railway Station. Place to be. Hey! And that, everybody, was dinner. Pretty good, eh? Yum. So we went for a walk around the centre to see what we could see. We tried to get a picture of Trudge and Shadow looking at the camera. We had another try. We got Shadow but not Trudge. Now we've got Trudge but not Shadow. Dear oh dear. And finally we managed to get them both facing the camera. Whoopee! There was an IGA to see. It's a nice store inside. A teller machine to get your cash out. There's a Priceline pharmacy. And a medical centre. And an absolutely fabulous dentist at Beyond. You can get your nails done. Have yourself a massage. Get some nice noodles. Have some sushi. Yummy, yummy. It looks beautiful food. You can go and get some Thai food. Get something from Zambero. And there's a grilled, I think they do burgers here. Looks a nice place. Something for the kids to play. Some place for the kids to play. Yeah, there's the outside of the centre. This is Burpengary Shopping Centre on the Australia Day long weekend on a Sunday afternoon. What a great place to come. Bye for now. See you on the next video.